Today we're working for a Mazda dealership, and this particular car has come in part exchange. It's a CX-30. It's on a 22 plate, and before I start to decontaminate this car, I just wanted to quickly show you the interior of it. You wouldn't believe this is a 22 plate car. It's been thoroughly abused. It's got burn marks in the carpets, in the seats. It stinks of cigarettes. The headlining is yellow in places. It's in a disgraceful condition, unfortunately. I've never seen a car of this age in this condition before. It's been absolutely treated like it, well, just there you go, it's just in a terrible condition. So can you see that in there? There's a cigarette paper in that part of the seat. So what I'm going to do, the seats are going to have to come out. Now, there's nothing I can do about the damage on the carpet. That's a new carpet, 100%. And really, that will either need to be repaired, or that base of the seat is going to have to be replaced, really, to stand any chance at all. And again, with all this, that's a new panel, really, isn't it? All I can do is deep clean it. And by deep cleaning and decontaminating in the interior of the car, we're going to get rid of that smell, okay? And it's very important because this is probably going to be retailed, so it's very important that that all traces of the cigarette odour are removed as much as possible. The last thing anybody wants when buying a new car or a used car, quality used car, let's say, is the smell of cigarettes. So there's a lot of work to do here. First thing we're going to do is take them seats out to give us full access to the seats and the floor. Well, we've completed the dry vacuuming of this vehicle, and it's taken probably just over an hour to do what you see here and the boot area. It was incredibly loaded with dry soil, and all that dry soil's got to come out of the carpet. No good just spraying a load of dye over it. That's not going to help things. We're going to turn our attention to the headlining, and the headlining is absolutely, again, loaded with toxins from the cigarettes. I'm going to use a special foam sprayer here to apply the micro cleanse. I'm going to do a little bit here just to show you. When a vehicle's been smoked in, the smoke will get literally everywhere, right to the back of the car, if the driver or the front passenger was the smoker. And to prove this, I've applied micro cleanse to the plastics, and you can clearly see it working. And this is right at the back of the car, in the boot area. All that kind of yellowing that you can see is the product drawing the nicotine and the tar that's been left by the smoke. Now, we've applied that to the entire headlining. We're going to let that work, and then we're going to extract that. Right, this is what we've just extracted from the headlining. Right, well, we've come to the end of this job now, and I'm just going to have a quick walk around just to show how it looks. The lighting isn't great. It's quite late in the day. So as we walk around here, let's go Have a look. All the panels are clean. Door panels all in there. Everything's been steam cleaned. The seats are back in, and the dashboard's clean, and the headlining is as good as you're going to get it. All right. We've just ozoned the car as well, and I can tell you that the odour that was there, that was very, very noticeable before, I can't smell cigarettes now, but like I say to all my clients, if the car's been heavily smoked in, the best that you can hope for is an improvement. It's doubtful. A complete removal of odour is possible, purely because it's damaged the car. If we look up here, the sun visors have turned yellow, and there's nothing you can do with that apart from replace the sun visors. But inside the back, everything else is clean. All the seat belts are done, and there you have it. So that's been a whole day working on this, but hopefully all that hard work will pay off when the dealership sell the car.